Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. Now, unfortunately for this, we will now need a cable which is connected to our computer, and we'll also need to basically forcibly turn off the device for some odd reason. Samsung is being real pieces of how can I say it? When it comes down to recovery mode, because it's one of those ways where you can kind of bypass the Google verification and basically unlock the device and stuff like that. So they're trying to make it harder for the people that basically do this, kind of like I am. For some reason now if you try to hold power key and volume up, even when the thing is plugged in, it won't boot you into recovery mode for some unexplained reason. So what we will need to do is connect the cable, and instead of doing it like you do on literally every other device, what you need to do now is hold power key, volume down, and that can be when the device is unlocked or locked, it doesn't really matter. So when you're gonna be holding those two keys, it's gonna forcibly shut off the device in a second. Once you see the screen turn off, as it did, you can let go of those keys, give it like 3 seconds or so, and then start holding power key and volume up at the same time. Now, if the device isn't turning on after like a couple seconds, you can let go of those keys and try it again now, or give it like a second or so. There we go, as you can see it's turning on now. And it booted into recovery mode. So there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now, this is, I believe, the only way you can access the recovery mode as of right now, at least the one that I found. And every other method that used to work on other Samsung seems to not be functioning here anymore. So that is the only way you will have to basically go about into booting into the recovery mode. Now once you're in here, you will be able to navigate through the menu using volume keys, because as you can see, touchscreen doesn't actually function at all. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now that being said, the options that we have right here are things like reboot the device, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which I believe might boot us into fast boot mode instead. We have then apply updates from SD or ADB, wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off, and repair apps. And like I mentioned, whatever you select, I will then confirm it with power key, and because I want to leave this mode right now, I will stick with reboot system now, confirm it, and give it a second, and it will boot me out of recovery mode. Additionally, we can also unplug the cable because it's not needed anymore. It's only needed to boot us into the recovery mode. And voila, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.